Masala Mama here. Let's make a classic masala base. And today I'm actually going to do this with Pakistani onions. I got these onions from my Pakistani grocery store. So the steps are always the same. You take oil, you put in your sliced onions. If you watch this whole video and make that masala, you can use that masala for anything. I'm also going to use my mandolin to slice my garlic. If you don't know how to use the mandolin safely, please don't do it this way. You can use a mortar and pestle for your garlic as well. But I do remember my mother slicing them very thin with a knife and putting them in the onions. So on medium heat, you can continue frying these until the oil becomes infused with the onions and the garlic. Make sure your heat's not high, otherwise everything's going to burn. The third thing that we're going to put in is ginger. Fresh ginger and garlic just take your curry to a higher level. Trust me. I'm just grating it. You can also use a mortar and a pestle. So like I said, this is on medium heat, slowly infusing everything into the oil. Now the next step isn't very traditional, but I'm making chana dal and loki, so I'm going to add some of the Knorr chicken cube. And I usually use this cube for my veggie dishes or dal dishes. So if you're not making a veggie or a dal dish, you can skip this and continue with the rest of the spices. The three main spices that I use are salt, red chili powder, and turmeric. That's it. I don't remember my mother using cumin or coriander powder, and typically at the end of the cooking, she would add some garam masala, and that's it. Add some water so the spices don't burn, and last but not least, tomatoes. This is the mother of all masala bases. And now you can add dal, veggies, or meat to this masala base.